Hey there, fellow adventurers. Ever dreamed of exploring the land of fire and ice? Iceland, with its stunning landscapes and incredible natural wonders, often seems like a destination reserved for big spenders. But guess what? You can totally experience the magic of Iceland without breaking the bank. Let's chat about how to make your Icelandic adventure unforgettable and affordable. From budget-friendly accommodations to delicious and cheap eats, we've got you covered. Get ready for glaciers, geysers, and good times, all while sticking to your budget. Ready to swap those travel dreams for actual travel plans? Let's dive into some practical tips to make your Iceland adventure both epic and easy on your wallet. One of the biggest expenses on any trip is accommodation. It can quickly eat into your travel budget, leaving you with less to spend on experiences and adventures. But don't worry, Iceland has options for every budget. Whether you're a backpacker, a family, or a solo traveler, there's something for everyone. Forget fancy hotels. Embrace the adventurous spirit and consider these wallet-friendly alternatives. They not only save you money, but also offer unique experiences. Hostels are your new best friend. They provide a cozy and communal atmosphere where you can meet like-minded travelers. Not only are they super affordable, but they're also great for meeting fellow travelers. You can exchange tips, share meals, and even plan excursions together. Picture yourself sharing stories over a hot cup of cocoa after a day of exploring glaciers. Sounds pretty great, right? It's these moments that make travel truly memorable. Camping is another fantastic way to experience the raw beauty of Iceland. It's perfect for those who love the outdoors and want to stay close to nature. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views of mountains and glaciers right outside your tent. The fresh air and stunning scenery are unbeatable. Plus, it's a great way to feel truly immersed in nature. You can hike, explore, and enjoy the tranquility of the Icelandic wilderness. Just be sure to pack for all kinds of weather. Iceland's weather can be unpredictable, so it's best to be prepared for anything. Looking for a bit more comfort? No problem. There are plenty of options that offer a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Iceland has a range of budget-friendly guest houses and hotels, especially if you book in advance or travel during the off-season. These options provide a comfortable stay without breaking the bank, allowing you to enjoy your trip to the fullest. Foodie alert! Icelandic cuisine is delicious, but eating out for every meal can put a dent in your budget. The good news is, you can still enjoy tasty local treats without spending a fortune. Grocery stores are your best bet for affordable meals. Stock up on essentials like bread, cheese, skyr, a delicious Icelandic yogurt, and snacks. Having breakfast and lunch from the grocery store will save you serious cash. Craving a hot meal? Look for local restaurants offering lunch specials or early bird dinners. These can be a steal. And don't forget to try Iceland's famous hot dogs, a tasty and budget-friendly treat. Here's the best part. Some of the most incredible things to do in Iceland are absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right. You can immerse yourself in the stunning landscapes and unique experiences without spending a single penny. Iceland's natural beauty is its biggest draw, and you don't need a wad of cash to experience it. The country is a treasure trove of natural wonders, from majestic waterfalls to expansive glaciers, all accessible without an entry fee. Hiking is an absolute must-do in Iceland. Lace up your boots and hit the trails for breathtaking views of glaciers, waterfalls, and volcanic landscapes. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual walker, the trails offer something for everyone. From leisurely walks to challenging climbs, there's a hike for every fitness level. Many of Iceland's most impressive waterfalls, geothermal areas, and black sand beaches are free to visit. You can spend hours exploring these natural wonders without spending a dime. Pack a picnic, grab your camera, and get ready to be wowed by Mother Nature's artistry. Don't forget to check out the stunning northern lights in the winter, a free celestial show you won't soon forget. The auroras dance across the sky, painting it with vibrant colors, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Section 5. Wheels and deals. Transportation on a budget. Getting around Iceland doesn't have to cost a fortune. While renting a car gives you freedom, it can be pricey. Consider these budget-friendly alternatives. Public transportation is a great option, especially for traveling between major cities and towns. Check out bus passes for multi-day journeys. They can save you a bundle. If you're up for an adventure, consider renting a camper van. It's a cozy and affordable way to see the country at your own pace, and you can even cook your own meals. Just remember to factor in fuel costs, which can be high in Iceland. Section 6. Savvy spending, extra tips for budget travel in Iceland. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, these tips will help you make the most of your trip without emptying your wallet. Here are a few bonus tips to stretch your budget even further. Travel during the off-season, which is typically in spring or fall, for lower prices on flights and accommodations. Not only will you save money, but you'll also avoid the crowds, making your experience more enjoyable and intimate. Pack light to avoid baggage fees and make it easier to get around using public transportation. A small backpack is often all you need, and it will give you the freedom to move around more easily. Bring a reusable water bottle and fill up at the tap. Icelandic water is incredibly pure and delicious. This simple tip can save you a lot of money over the course of your trip, and it's also environmentally friendly. Take advantage of free Wi-Fi in most cafes and accommodations to stay connected without racking up roaming charges. Many places offer high-speed internet, so you can easily plan your next adventure or stay in touch with loved ones back home. Look for free walking tours in Reykjavik and other towns to learn about the local history and culture. These tours are often led by knowledgeable locals who can provide insights that you won't find in guidebooks. Remember, traveling on a budget is all about being resourceful and making smart choices. Research budget accommodations such as hostels or guest houses, which can offer a comfortable stay without the high price tag. By following these tips, you can experience the magic of Iceland without breaking the bank. Enjoy the stunning landscapes, rich culture, and unique experiences that Iceland has to offer, all while keeping your expenses in check. Section 7. Respecting Iceland. A few words on responsible tourism. While we're all about exploring new places, it's super important to be respectful travelers and minimize our impact on the environment. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Stick to marked trails and designated camping areas to protect Iceland's delicate ecosystems. Leave no trace behind. Pack out everything you pack in, including trash and food scraps. Be mindful of wildlife and observe animals from a safe distance. Respect private property and always ask permission before entering someone's land. By being responsible travelers, we can all do our part to preserve the beauty of Iceland for generations to come. Section 8. Ready for adventure? Iceland awaits. So there you have it. Traveling to Iceland on a budget is totally doable, and it's an incredibly rewarding experience. From cozy hostels to epic hikes and stunning natural wonders, Iceland offers something for everyone, no matter your budget. Remember to plan ahead, pack smart, and embrace the spirit of adventure. Get ready for an unforgettable journey through the land of fire and ice, without melting your credit card. Happy travels!